Hello folks, and welcome to Linux for Seniors. That's the name of my channel. Linux is for any age, and I do encourage anyone to subscribe if they want some tips on, well, different Linux material. Today I'm going to talk about Linux Mint 21.3 Cinnamon reinstallation of Software Manager. Why would you want to reinstall Software Manager? Maybe it's sluggish. You clicked on it and it's taking an enormous amount of time to open. You may not see it today, but this information could be useful maybe later also. I'm going to show you how to reinstall Software Manager. So you can see my system information here. I'm filming in 1920 by 1080, and again, I do encourage that you subscribe. I have all kinds of material. All right, so today I'm going to talk about running two commands out of terminal. And I don't want to scare you off, but this is all you need to type in. It's just two commands. It's really simple. Anyone can do this, any skill level. So I'm going to open up Software Manager. So I clicked it already. And mine opened in a couple seconds. But let's say it's taking an enormous long time on your system. Well, maybe you want to try to reinstall Software Manager. Software Manager has a different name, though. I'm going to hit the hamburger menu and hit the About key. The Software Manager is called Mint Install. This happens to be 8.2.9. So we're going to reinstall Software Manager. Okay? And that's done with this command right here. So I'm going to open up Terminal. If you don't have Terminal on your panel, which a lot of you folks will not, open up the Mint menu. And then type in T as in Tom and find Terminal. Now, I know this probably looks small on most of your systems, so I will make this larger for you. I will also give you another recommendation. If you are going to do this, I would watch the video directly out of Linux Mint in some web browser, Firefox, whatever your favorite browser is, and go find this video. Open it up. And when I show you the commands, you can do a screenshot, or you can hand type it down, your choice. We're just going to talk about these two commands. apt space reinstall space mint install. In other words, reinstall Software Manager. In my case, I'm going to cheat. I'm just going to copy that word and minimize the file. But you would hand type this in. Okay? When you do, and you hit enter, it'll ask you for your password. So be prepared for that. So enter. Mark is our made-up user for today, so I will put in Mark's password. And you can see that it's building and installing. And when it gets done, you'll get a $sign. That means it's finished. You're still not done yet. So you need to type in mint install and enter, or you can borrow the word up here. Your choice. I'm just going to click and highlight that right there. Right click and copy, and then where the blinking box is, I'm going to hit paste. Hit enter, detected whatever system, and then it'll launch Software Manager. So at the bottom, I'm not going to close this just yet. I just wanted to let you see the terminal box. It's still got a white box flashing. It's not finished yet. Okay, so but it says detected system architecture, 64-bit in this case, and no new reviews and deleting old screenshots. So this is still open, and it opened from me doing this mint install. Once I close this with the blue X, this will finish the terminal box. Now it gives me a $. Prompt. Now I'm finished. Now I can close this, and I'll show you this one more time. And if you have never discovered this setting yet, again, it's a benefit to you if you're a subscriber to watch all my tips, because I make mention of them throughout my videos, and people normally skip over things in a hurry and miss those nice points once in a while. I'm going to use Control, Shift, and plus to make that bigger, bigger, bigger. That's all I'm doing here. Then I'm going to use the upper arrow key on my keyboard to repeat these last commands. I'm using the upper arrow key, and this is the lower arrow key on my keyboard. So that saves me from typing that back in. Hit enter, password time, and allow it. This is reinstalling it again. It's not going to mess anything up. It's just I'm giving you the exercise of reinstallation. But this time, instead of highlighting the word Mint install, you can always just look at it too, and then just type it in right here. And if you type it in incorrectly, then of course you'll get an error. But you want to have it do this, and then it opens up your software manager, you close it, and then it gives you a dollar prompt, and now you're done. You can type in exit, or you can aim for that blue X in the right-hand corner. I'm going to type in the word exit and hit enter. Thank you for watching.